Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with my hair already pre-sectioned. I have my hair parted from ear to ear, and then the front section is divided into 8 sections. So I'm going to be doing a rubber band style similar to what I did in my recent video. So I'm starting off on this middle section here, and I'm going to make 3 even sections. I'm taking some Shine Jam and applying it to the roots of my hair before applying the rubber bands. I applied oil to my rubber bands to decrease any friction, and I'm making sure not to apply them too tightly. So I'm going to repeat this process for this middle section. I'm going to end up with a total of 6 rubber band ponytails, which I will then crisscross for this style. So for this third section, I'm going to use a total of 3 rubber bands that I'm going to connect going straight back. So at this point, I finished this side of my hair, so I'm going to show you what I did on the other side. So for this next section, I decided that I wanted to switch it up a little bit. So instead of doing the rubber bands, I decided that I was going to flat twist this section and then secure it with a rubber band. So for this last section, I'm going to be using the rubber bands again. Instead of dividing it into 3 sections, I'm only going to use 2, and then I'm going to connect them together going straight back. So this is what the front looks like once I'm all done. Now I'm going to section the rest of my hair to prepare for the passion twist. I will be doing the rubber band method for this style, so I'm going to section my hair into medium-sized squares, and then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. You're going to continue this until your hair is completely parted. So for the twist, I'll be using the Freetress 3X pre-fluffed water poppin twist in 24 inches. So this hair is pre-stretched, pre-fluffed, and pre-separated. So that way you can use this hair straight out of the pack if you wanted to. So the water poppin twist is a water curl, which is great for styles like passion twist and also for locks. Shake and Go also has another version of this hair, which is the Poppin twist. This hair is also pre-fluffed and pre-separated, but instead this hair is a tight spring curl. As you can see, this has a slightly different texture from the water Poppin twist, and it has a tighter curl. Both are great for doing lock, twist, and crochet styles, and just makes these styles much more convenient to do. So at this point, I've already begun installing my twist. Again, I'm using the Freetress water poppin twist, which is the water curl hair. So for this style, I'm going to separate the hair a little bit more before installing my twist. So I'll be using the crochet method to install my passion twist. So I'm taking 1 strand of the water poppin twist and crocheting it through my rubber band ponytail. Once I have the hair crocheted in, I'm going to make sure that both sides are pretty even, and then I'm going to take my natural hair and secure the hair furthermore. Next, I'm just combining the water poppin twist hair with my natural hair, and I'm twisting tightly down to the bottom. The crochet method makes this style so much easier, especially if you're a beginner with doing any kind of braided or twisted styles. I think it helps the parts look much neater, and you don't have to worry too much about how good your grip is. So this is what your twist will look like once you're all done. So you just want to continue to repeat this process until all of your twists are installed. So for the front of my hair, I'm using the same exact method as the back. I'm just installing the crochet right where I put the rubber band, and then I'm just starting my twist from there. I also wanted to point out that it does matter which way you twist this hair. So if your twist comes out kind of weird, that just means that you need to retwist the hair in the opposite direction. I found that most of the time if I twisted in a counterclockwise motion that the twist came out correctly. But in the case that it doesn't, just take the twist out and twist in the opposite direction. Alright y'all, so here are my final results. I really love the way that this style came out. I love that these twists are soft and light and can be styled in a variety of ways. Doing the crochet method and using this water poppin twist hair, which was pre-fluffed and pre-separated, made this style so easy to do. Let me know what you think of this style down in the comments. And thanks again to Shake and Go for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in this hair, I'll be sure to have everything I use linked down in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.